Hello everyone, it's Rastafari here and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today, I've got a project for you, Automated BUSD Capital. This is a project brought by the same guys from Automated USDT Capital. This is a trading bot that trades in Forex. Okay, they are releasing the BUSD version in 8 hours. Before we go through this, guys, please know I'm not a financial advisor. This is not a financial advice. Please do your own research and only invest what you can afford to lose. Also, head over to my channel, subscribe, turn on that notification so you don't miss any of my future videos. I do release a lot of quality projects on this channel, so please stay tuned. All right, so Automated BUSD Capital. I am excited about this project. I am in on this project. Okay, they're launching in 8 hours. They have a George Stamp audit, okay, which I will link in the description section, along with the link to Automated BUSD Capital. Okay, they do have several changes to this one compared to the first one that they launched, which is Automated USDT Capital. Okay, I am making money on this platform. I believe it is. I put in $400. Okay. They are a trading bot, as I said, okay, and it pays 2% daily. They have 3 levels of referral. The contract, by the way, is going strong. Okay, this is the reason why I'm supporting their BUSD version. Okay, I got in on this one on the 21st. Right now is the 20th. Is November 3rd. And yeah, it's just been going up. Okay, guys, know that these guys take out money from the TVL, invest it, puts it back in the TVL with the profits. Okay, this is why you're seeing dips here, dips there. Okay, these two. So they take out a portion, they invest, they put it back. Okay. So this is what it looks like right now. If you want a copy of my contract tracker, hit me up in the comments section. Tell me that you want a copy. Before you do, make sure you subscribe. This is all I ask for, all right? This contract tracker tracks multiple projects, okay? I do have a team of 3 that updates this on a daily basis, okay? I did point out, I made a video about Smart Cash Capital when the contract was dropping with Stable Fund. You know what I mean? So I do have a tracker and I make videos to inform the community as well. So please, if you find that useful, then hit that like button and subscribe to my channel. Okay? Don't forget to leave a message. All right. So in addition to that, right, like I will be adding my earnings here for full transparency, so you guys can see project info, information about the projects. All right, so this is like kind of like a comparison table, tells you how much your earnings compared to others. Okay, how much these platforms pay compared to others. Okay, the launch dates, referral, whether they have referrals and how much, you know, taxes and fees. All right, the minimum deposit. You'll find this very useful. So please subscribe. Okay, do it now. All right, so Automated BUSD Capital. All right. So to join in on this one, make sure you connect your wallet. Excuse me, you connect your wallet. Okay. They do have a time pool jackpot, something that the other one that the Automated USDT does not have. Okay. 1% of each deposit will be put into the rewards pool. Last deposited address will win the pot when no deposit was done after 2 hours of last deposit. The pot for each round has 1,000 BUSD limit. There's a 5% tax per draw, which stays in the contract. Okay, so it feeds the pool. Biggest deposit event. Okay, this is another one. Round ends in. Okay, so this is winning address will be awarded with 10% of his deposited amount. This reward will be directly sent to the address after the event draws. There's a 5% tax draw, which stays in the contract. So all of these on these two, okay, feeds the contract. Okay, this is for sustainability reasons. User details. All right, so your info will be here. Okay, so claim, reinvest. You can either claim your earnings or reinvest that. Reinvesting profits will create a new deposit plan. There is no tax on reinvesting and claiming dividends. That's good to know. Deposit that has an existing withdrawal request will not accumulate dividends. All right, so this is where you're going to be depositing. Let's say you're putting in 500 BUSD. You click on approve, pay for the gas fee, the approval fee, which I believe is like 9 cents. All right, as soon as that's done, you can click on deposit, pay the gas fee, and you are in the game. Okay. That's pretty much all there is to it. Okay, you're earn 5% every time someone deposited using your referral link. So if you end up referring people, you will get 5%. Click here to copy the link. All right. Withdraw deposits. Okay, enter the deposit key that you want to withdraw. Initial deposits. So to claim, there's no fee. To reinvest, there's no fee. But to withdraw, amount that can be withdrawn will be deposited amount plus the accumulated dividends from time of deposit up to time of request. Since the 10% deposit tax was not deducted in user's total deposit, the 10% deposit tax will be deducted when the deposit is withdrawn, which will stay in the contract. Okay, so it stays in the contract, right? Everything feeds the contract, right? This is on top of the primary 10% withdrawal initial tax. Earnings calculator. All right, so this is it. Let's say, for example, you're staking 1,000. Okay, day stake, you're staking it for 30 days. Okay, total dividends after 30 days is 600. Obviously, that's 2% per day, right? Yep. Daily BUSD dividends is 20 BUSD. Daily dividends percentage is 2%. The calculator will compute the user's earnings depending on the inputted days plus the BUSD amount before the tax. Okay, let's take a look at the frequently asked questions. What is automated BUSD capital? Automated BUSD capital is a BSC ROI project that offers 2% daily yields. Users can get 2% daily as long as there is balance in the contract. Okay, as long as there is balance here in the contract. Right there. This is the reason why my DeFi contract tracker is important, because we monitor this 24 hours a day, multiple times a day. All right. So, we hope that this can cover a lifetime. I highly doubt that, but I will be in on this one and I'll write it for as long as I can. Okay. What is auto trading? Auto trading is a trading type that use computer-based softwares to automatically execute trading actions in Forex market. Automated trading is becoming more and more popular nowadays. Being able to trade Forex automatically is important when you are working with a solid strategy. In case, all right, guys, in case you guys don't know, I have traded Forex, stocks, and stuff like that, and I have used dozens and dozens of bots a long time ago. Okay, that's over 15 years ago when I was, you know what I mean, messing around with Forex. At that time, there were bots that are out there, but they're not smart. With the advent of crypto, these AI bots, the bots are becoming smarter and smarter. These are like the evolved version of those bots that I used to use back then. Okay, so I'm assuming that these bots nowadays are a lot smarter than those ones. They have learned from their predecessors' mistakes, and that they are much more powerful than the ones back then. Okay, that's all speculation. Okay, I really don't know. I haven't dug deep. All I know is that AI, the reason why they call AI is because it's artificially intelligent. It can perform actions better than humans. Okay, believe it or not. Okay, humans have emotions. Bots do not, right? They go by reason, not emotions. All right, what is the last jackpot? The deposit jackpot, last stake jackpot. It's pretty simple, basically. Blah, blah, blah. Okay, we discussed that. Biggest deposit, we discussed that. Referral rewards. What makes the project sustainable? The platform's sustainability is supplemented by cryptocurrency trading that is distinguished by bot trading, just like what I said, simulator, and extensive experience of the developer. Is there a minimum withdrawal? The minimum withdrawal is 50 BUSD. Members can get their 2% ROI on a daily basis. Please refer to the schedule in your dashboard. Am I able to withdraw my full deposit? Yes, you can. Users can request to withdraw their stakes after 14 days after the request. They'll be able to get the staked amount and the accumulated profit. Lastly, full deposit withdrawal requests will be charged with a 10% fee. Why am I seeing a direct access to the site's funds? Only the contract owner has access. While seeing a direct access to the site's funds. Only the contract owner has access to the funds in the automated BUSD Capital ROI project. The owner withdraws 10 to 20% of the contract balance and funnels it into Capital's trading system. Obviously, they're going to need some funds, just like what I showed you on the automated USDT Capital, right? The same funds are redeposited back with substantial income generated from trading. This system holds a secret to automated trading sustainability. This is the reason. This is something I discussed. I mentioned earlier, right? And I showed you this, right? You see those dips? That's them taking out the money, investing it, and putting it back in the contract, right? Right here, they withdrew again from 109. It got down to it went down to 90, and then take a look right now. They are 246 right now, which is insane. Okay, call it whatever you like. The contract is healthy, and this is the reason why I'm going to be investing in automated BUSD Capital. Okay, but please don't follow me. Don't listen to me. Do your own research. Okay, invest if you are comfortable in the project, not because Ross told you to do so. Okay, that would be a dumb thing to do. Don't listen to me. Use my research as a stepping stone to further your research if you like, but don't come crying back to my channel telling me that you've lost money. Okay, you're a big man, you're a big boy. Okay, so do what you want with your money, but don't come crying. Okay, there's no crying in DeFi. There's no crying in crypto. Okay, all right, guys, that is it from me. If you found some value, please like this video, subscribe, turn on that notification, and leave me a comment in the comment section. Thank you.